This is Sam. Sam is a good boy. He is kind, he is funny, and he loves his family very much.
But today, Sam made one small mistake, and then he told what happens next.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No! No, 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 no! Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Dad's trophy. It is broken. What do I do? Okay. It looks fine. It looks completely fine.
Sam! What are you doing in here? It is a beautiful day outside.
I am just resting, Dad.
Sam, did something happen to my trophy?
No, Dad. I did not touch it.
Is everything okay in here, Sam?
Yes, Dad. Everything is fine. I just told a lie. Just one small lie. It is okay. Nobody will know.
That evening, the family sits together for dinner. Sam is very quiet.
Sam, you are very quiet tonight. Are you feeling okay?
I am fine, Mom. I am just not very hungry. You are always hungry, Sam.
Oh, by the way, has anyone been near my trophy shelf today? I think something looks a little different.
I have not been near it.
No.
Sam?
No, Dad. I was not near the shelf. I was watching television all afternoon.
After dinner, Lily finds Sam in the hallway. She knows the truth.
Sam, you broke Dad's trophy, didn't you? Just tell Mom and Dad. They will understand. I did not break anything. Sam, lying makes things worse. She does not know. Nobody knows. I am fine.
That night, Sam cannot sleep. He lies in his bed, but his eyes stay open.
I should tell the truth. I need to fix this. I should tell them. Tomorrow.
The next morning, Sam does not tell them.
Sam, come here, Pi. Up, please.
Sam, do you know what happened?
I think it fell by itself. Every lie makes me feel worse. Not better, worse.
At school, Sam cannot concentrate. He sits in class, but his mind is at home, thinking about the lie.
Sam, are you okay? I am fine. I just did not sleep well. Why? I was studying. I was studying very late. We do not have any tests this week, Sam. I know. I was just reading for fun. Are you sure you are okay? I am fine, Tom, I promise. One lie, then another, and another. When does it stop?
Sam comes home from school. He is tired after a long day, and he has been thinking about something all day. It is still on his mind.
Sam, how was school today?
It was fine, Mom.
Did you eat your lunch?
Yes, Mom.
Sam, you know, you can tell me anything.
Right? No, Mom. Everything is fine.
That evening, something happens. Something that Sam was afraid of.
This trophy is badly broken. This did not happen by itself. Something hit it very hard. Sam, I am going to ask you one more time, and I want the truth. Do you know how this happened?
Dad, I broke it. I was playing with my ball inside the house. I know I am not supposed to. I kicked it too hard, and it hit the trophy, Dad. I was playing with my ball. It hit the trophy. The trophy fell. I put it back on the shelf. And then I lied again. And at school today, I lied to Tom too, and every lie made me feel worse.
Worse. Sam, look at me. Thank you. Thank you. The truth.
The truth.
You spent a lot of time thinking about it. You carried it with you everywhere you went. You even worried about it at school, all because of one small choice.
Sam, the trophy is just a thing. It can be fixed, or it can be replaced.
Are you angry, Mom?
I am a little disappointed, but I am also very proud of you for telling the truth. Sam, can I come in?
Yes.
Evening arrives. The room is quiet. Two siblings sit together.
How are you doing?
Better. A little better. It has been a long day. Yes, I am glad we can relax now. Me too.
You knew. Why didn't you tell them? Because it was your story. You needed to tell it. I ask myself, how will I feel tomorrow?
That is good advice.
I think so too.
Lily, I am sorry. I was not very kind.
I know. It is okay.
It is okay.
The next morning, Sam wakes up early. He has something important to do.
I am going to fix it. I know it might not be perfect, but I want to try. Come on. Almost there. Perfect.
Move over, son. Let me help you.
Dad, I am trying to fix it.
I know. Let us fix it together.
You can still see it.
Yes.
It is not perfect.
No. But it is still here. Sam, do you see this crack?
Yes.
It will remind you
Yes.
that one mistake is always better to admit.
Just tell the truth. That is all. Just tell the truth. Hi, Tom. It is Sam. I wanted to clear something up. I was not completely honest. I wanted you to know.
I knew you were lying, Sam.
You did?
Yes.
You are a terrible liar, Sam. I know. I really am.
Sam told one small lie, then one more, until the lies were so big.
Have you ever told a lie and then felt terrible? Tell us in the comments. We want to know.